Hello and welcome back. This is Michael, and today I'm going to cover how to create an invoice and send to a customer for payment. In the following video, I'll show when I receive the payment, how to apply it towards this invoice. So I put in the person's name, their email, because I'm going to send it to them right away. I don't have their address. It's due on receipt, today's date, due date, webinar, it's a webinar that a customer is giving, put in the description and the amount. Now if it's not a rate here, you might be able to get away with just putting the amount here. Let's try it. No, you can't. You'd have to readjust these in the invoice settings. Okay, so down at the bottom here, you can put some memos and information and attach anything here if there's some kind of receipts for an invoice. When you're ready, you just hit save and send, and then this is going to pull up the message, that email message template. So invoice from the client, and then your message to them. There's another part of the software that you can adjust these settings, but here you can edit it. And then when you're finished and you're satisfied, you hit send in and close. This is the way it'll look to them right here. And then there's another place that you can sign up for online payment, so when the customer receives the invoice, they can send payment right away, which is a very nice convenience. Okay, so we're going to hit send and close, and it says email sent to the customer. So that's how you create an invoice and send it off for payment, and also the settings that are available for online payment. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Another thing I'd like to mention is that I have a course that I developed that goes through all these different tabs and features of QuickBooks Online. Please check out the information below in the description, and I'll be developing, I'll be creating more videos to help you out. Okay, thank you for watching.